Good day everyone. Welcome to my presentation on the ERP end-to-end process. My name is Chia Zhen, and my student ID is I22023035. Thank you, and let's begin. This is AI ERP Sdn Bhd. It is a Malaysian company that designs and manufactures high-performance protective gear such as helmets, safety vests, and gloves for construction and industrial workers. But as they are growing, there seems to be an issue.
Hello, the door is open. Please come in. Hello, Miss, how can I assist you today?
Hello, I would like to place an order for 2,000 safety helmets for our upcoming construction project.
Sure, Miss. Let me check our current stock availability. I am sorry, Miss. We currently only have 500 helmets available in our warehouse.
What? Only 500? This is a large order, and we need all 2,000 helmets soon.
I understand your concern, Miss. Let me check with our production department.
Okay, please do it faster.
I need to go and meet with the product manager for a discussion. Hello, can you help me check when we can produce the remaining helmets?
Let me check our schedule. The production schedule is not updated yet. We are currently managing it manually using spreadsheets.
So when can we deliver the remaining helmets?
I am not sure. We need to check the available materials, machine capacity, and workers first.
Okay, I understand. Our product manager has informed us that the products are currently out of stock due to higher than expected demand. The next production batch is scheduled to be completed soon.
This is not the first time this has happened. Previously, my orders were also delayed because the products were unavailable.
I apologize, Miss. We understand that this delay has affected your project schedule. We will work closely with our production and inventory teams to prevent this issue from happening again.
What solution can you provide to ensure we can prioritize your order once the new stock arrives and provide regular updates on the delivery status? We will also review our inventory planning with the product manager to maintain sufficient stock levels in the future.
And disconnected systems, AI ERP Sdn Bhd faces several challenges. Stock shortages, delayed order fulfillment, poor production planning.
Yes, we have a problem. Our current system cannot provide real-time information between sales, warehouse, and production departments.
I agree. Without accurate data, it is difficult to plan production and prepare materials efficiently.
This also affects our decision-making because we do not have complete and accurate business data.
I think we need to improve our current system.
I agree. We need a system that can connect all departments together.
Therefore, we will implement an ERP system.
That's a good idea. ERP can help us integrate sales, materials, and production processes.
And this is how AI ERP Sdn Bhd begins its digital transformation journey. So, how does the ERP system help AI ERP Sdn Bhd improve its business process? ERP process eliminates the gut feeling when making a decision. Instead, they uses forecasting to predict the demand from customers.
It is predicted from historical data that our demand for helmets may increase by 30% due to increasing construction projects.
I agree. We should adapt to the market and increase our production capacity accordingly.
So, with ERP, we can combine sales data with production capacity to adapt to market changes. This is where the next part comes in, which is the sales and operations planning. This is where different departments come together and agree on one realistic plan, such as material availability. They check on available stock. For production, they check how much can the factory make. And lastly, sales on how much they want to sell. SOP ERP helps with management in making coordinated decisions. From the old system, when an order comes in, the process flow is the order goes to a mail, then the worker types into the Excel. This causes a lot of issues where the worker missed some of the orders. Afterwards, the finance department cannot forecast the sales since there is no proper record. Then, this affected the inventory where the worker uses notes, which is time-consuming. Furthermore, there is lots of unused stocks leading to loss of money. With ERP, the order is stored in the database. Since there is proper record, the finance department can forecast the demand properly. Not only that, inventory workers no longer use manual notes as ERP have real-time inventory checking. With demand management, it helps them even more. Demand management is a planning process that aligns customer demand with company's operation capacity. It compares the forecasted sales with real orders and adapts the trend accordingly.
It seems that the forecasted trend of gloves would be 10,000. However, we only sold 5,000 in 8 months.
It seems like the sale has slowed down. We can make promotions on the glove side to increase sales.
That's a great idea. I will relay this to customers.
Now, let's see how AI ERP Sdn Bhd handles master production scheduling. Master production scheduling is a detailed, time-phased plan outlining what the product is, when will it be produced, and in what quantities. In the old system, production scheduling is done manually using spreadsheets that lead to outdated data. Now, with ERP, it became automated and data-driven, centralizing each component. Furthermore, if a shortage has occurred, the system will create a production requirements to ensure deadlines. For example,
Hello, I would like to buy 1,000 helmets.
Sure, let me type it in for you. It seems we need 500 more, but it's okay. We can have the helmet ready for you in 7 days. I have placed the order for you, miss.
Thank you. This is very fast and hassle-free.
Thank you. Goodbye. I heard a customer bought 1,000 helmets. Do we have enough in stocks? No, but with ERP, we can generate a master production schedule, also known as MPS. It will tell us when we should start production to meet deadline.
Nice, but how about the materials?
Good question. With ERP system, it will check the material availability.
this is called material requirements planning. So, how did ERP help Geek solution for MRP? Before using ERP.
This is weird. Why is the bills of materials for blue and black safety caps so inconsistent? Not only that, why is the routing also inconsistent? This left him confused, but with the new system, it improves the workflow better. With ERP, the bills of materials and work center data is centralized. There is also capacity planning and production order tracking.
This is very easy.
MRP helps to ensure material availability based on the need of MPS or the demand program. In a nutshell, MRP calculates the net requirements, which is net requirements equals to gross requirements minus available inventory plus scheduled receipts plus safety stock. The deliverables of MRP is a detailed production plan or purchasing plan.
Hey, Mississippi. Can you check the materials that is needed for production? We need to make sure every materials are covered.
Sure, let me have a look. Let's head to the Bill of Materials section. And it seems like we are out of plastic. We need 500 kilograms more. Oh, and would you look at that? The ERP system can detect material shortage and are making a purchase request automatically.
I have received the purchase request. I will now make the purchase order in the ERP system. Thanks.
ERP system helps us in contacting vendor by storing their information. This makes purchase orders so much easier. ERP system helps us in contacting vendor by storing their information. This makes purchase orders so much easier. After ordering, the order went to the supplier where they supplied the materials. After arriving, the goods receipt is updated in the ERP system where it will automatically update the inventory. Now, let's get to the manufacturing.
It seems like the materials are enough. Let's begin production. And the ERP system has created the production order. Very good. I will now update the progress in the ERP system where we can see the progress in real time.
After production is finished, the goods are transferred to the warehouse where they can be ready for shipping.
Hello, miss. Your items are ready for shipment. It should arrive within the planned time.
That's great. Thank you.
It looks like the ERP system have scheduled and confirmed the delivery. This is by generating the delivery documents and shipping schedules to ensure the items arrived on time.
Next, let's talk about order settlement. When the order arrived to the customer.
Here is the ordered helmets, miss.
Arrived on time. You guys have improved.
Yes, miss. Thank you.
It seems that we have everything. Thank you.
You're welcome. We will be generating an invoice later.
Okay. Oh, it looks like the invoice is here. I guess I will pay it now. I should get back to work.
I have received the payment.
Great. You should proceed with the next steps.
Yes, I will now settle the order. The ERP system will update our financial account and record the transaction for future reference.
This concludes the ERP process and how it helps AI ERP Sdn Bhd. It shows how it can unify the business process from strategic planning to detailed planning and finally manufacturing execution. Not only that, this video also shows how ERP system helps AI ERP Sdn Bhd with its problems. With ERP, AI ERP Sdn Bhd not only reduce their errors, but they can improve their stock control and manage business operations.